The Research Council established the Norwegian Programme for Research Cooperation with India (NOR) in 2010 to extend Indian-Norwegian research cooperation. It covers the areas of international politics, climate and the environment, clean energy and societal development. The Research Council of Norway supported project titled Climate-Induced Mobilization of Persistent Organic Pollutants or POPs in Ganga River in India. INNOPOP was executed by Norwegian Institute of Water Research NIVA and the Energy and Resources Institute TERI during 2012 to 2015. INNOPOP was a highly successful project achieving all its objectives and going further beyond. The overall goals were to assess the impact of seasonality in climatic and hydrological regimes on the freshwater ecosystem exposure to persistent organic pollutants or POPs, to evaluate the climate control on the potential human exposure to POPs through water. The project location was distributed throughout the 2,525 kilometers length of River Ganga at Uttarkashi, Devprayag, Kanpur, Varanasi, Farakka and Ganga Sagar. Water, air and rainwater samples were collected from upstream and downstream locations. The study unearthed interesting results about the load of persistent organic pollutants in Ganga River water, air and rainwater deposition. The contaminant PCB is now banned but released to the environment again from melting glaciers. A clear relationship between groundwater and surface water contamination was also seen. The findings from the study has resulted in 13 international publications. The outcome of the INNOPOP study have been formation of a strong consortia of scientists and academicians from Norway and India, and the group has furthered the cause of science towards policy formulation on POP. An international conference was organized in Delhi to share the findings of the project, and the deliberations have been captured in the proceedings. The success of this study has resulted in new project, EDIFY, Endocrine Disruptors in Indian Food, minimizing children exposure and fostering a safer space for agriculture and food market, EDIFY. The project's partners are NIVA and NIBIO from Norway, Resetox from Czech Republic, TERI, Mugama Consultants, Bharat Learn, SRM University, Toxic Links from India. The objective of this 3-year study is to conduct a comprehensive assessment of exposure of the Indian population to endocrine disrupting substances, EDS, through the diet of food and water. The samples have been collected and processed. It is being analyzed in the laboratories of NIBIO in Norway, Resetox and SRM University. This study would examine opportunities for strengthening the agricultural sector nationally and internationally by reducing the presence of endocrine disruptive substances in agricultural products and processed food in India. Every 3 years, a program of cooperation between Norway and India is developed based on thematic priorities for the following period. Rcn looks forward to many collaborative projects which would make a huge impact on international politics, climate and the environment, clean energy and societal development.